Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class, we have started our fourth chapter. The chapter name is Touching Up Letters, and we have used an application called LibreOffice Writer. In today's class, we are going to discuss a table for formatting tools. Okay, so there are some of the formatting tools, alignment tools and all. So we will discuss in detail on formatting tools. So let us start our today's class. Yes, the formatting tools. Okay, so these are the tools which we are using in LibreOffice Writer. So what is our first one? Font name. Okay, what is its use? It is used to change the font of the letters, to change the style of the letters. So I'll show it in LibreOffice Writer, then it will be very clear for you. So I'll show you each one in LibreOffice Writer, so it will be very clear for you. So the first one is font name. Okay, so you can see here, this one is font name. It is shown here, font name. Okay, so you can see here a down arrow. If you click on that, there are so many options. Okay, there are so many styles. You can see here, so many styles. You can choose any style. It depends upon you. Whatever you like, you can choose any font here. Is it clear? Okay, now I am going to type a letter here or a text. Okay, birthday celebration. Okay, now I am going to give a font style for this text. So first, what you have to do, you have to select this text. For selecting, what you do, click and drag. Click and drag. So now you have selected the text. Now I am going to give a font style. Suppose I am going to give here the first one, URW Chancery L. What will happen? Yes, the font style is changed. Did you like this font, this style? Yes. Now I'll select another style. Okay, did you like this style? Yes. So there are so many styles. You can choose any style. Okay, that is up to you. Okay, so that is the first one. Okay, now the second one is font size. What is the use of it? To change the size of the letters. Okay, so you can see here, this is the font size. Okay, so I'll show it in LibreOffice Writer, then it will be very clear for you. So here I am going to change the font size. So what you have to do, first select the text. For selecting the text, what you have to do, click and drag. Now you have selected the text. Now I am going to change the font size. So you can see here, this is font size. Click on this down arrow. Now you can see here the size. Okay, there are so many size. You can choose any size. Suppose I am giving 36. Oh, you can see here the font size is changed. Now the next tool is bold. Okay, I'm going to choose bold. Okay, what is the use of it? Change the thickness of letters. Okay, if you click on the bold, the thickness will be increased. The thickness of the letter will be increased. Is it clear, my dear students? So I'll show it here. Okay. For making this text bold, first you have to select this text. So for selecting the text, what you have to do? Click and drag like this. Okay. Now you can see here bold. Did you see, my dear students? Bold. Click on this so you can see the changes here. So I'm going to click now. Yes, you can see the change here. Okay, the letters thickness has increased. The thickness of the letter is increased. I'll show once more. Okay, now the thickness is less. I'm going to click on this bold. Now the thickness is increased. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay. What is the next one? Yes, italics. What do you mean by italics? Yes, it is used to create slanting letters. The letters will be slanted, okay, to a direction. Slanting letters. So I'll show it now. Okay. So for this, first you have to select the text. So for selecting, click and drag like this. Okay. After that, you can see here, this is italics tool. You can see here italics tool. This is your italics tool. Now you click on that. Now then your letters will be slanted. Now I am going to click on this. You can see here the difference. The letters are slanted. I'll show you once more. This was the original text. Now I am going to click on this italic tool. So what will happen? The letters will be slanted. You can see here the letters are slanted. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay. What is the next one? Underline. Underline tool. What is the use of it? To underline the letters. Okay. So I'll show it now. Okay. So for that, first you have to select the text. Now you can see here the underline tool. This one is your underline tool. Click on that. What will happen? The text will be given an underline. So I'm going to click now. Now you can see here the underline. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next one, align left. Okay, so these three are aligning tools. Align left, center, align right. Okay, these three are alignment tools. So I'll show it together. Align left, center and align right. Okay, what is the use of that? To align the letters to the left. For center, to align the letters to the center. Okay. Align right means to align the letters to the right side. So this is the text. So first what you have to do, you have to select the text. Okay. Then you can see here the alignment tools. These are the 4 alignment tools. First one, align left. Second one, center. And the third one, align right. Okay. So align left means it is already aligned in the left. No problem. Now I am going to show you align center. So the text will come on the center. So I am going to click now. Yes, you can see, students, the text is aligned in the center. Now I am going to click on this align right. So the text will be aligned on the right side. I am going to click now. You can see, students, the text is aligned on the right. Now again I am going to click on align left. So it will be aligned on the left side. The text will be aligned on the left side. I'm going to click now. Can you see, students? Yes. I hope all are clear about this alignment tools. So alignment tools means there are three tools: align left, center, and align right. Okay, now the final one, what is that? Font color. Okay, what is its use? To change the color of letters. Okay, so I'll show it. So for that you have to select the text, and you can see here this is font color tool. You can see here font color tool. You click on this color tool. Now you can see there are so many colors. You can choose any color whatever you like. So here I am going to choose a green color. Click on that. Now you can see here the text is changed to green color. Okay, so hope all are clear about these tools. What is the first one? Font name. What is it used? Change the font of the letters, style of the letters. Next one, font size, to change the size of the letters. Okay, what do you mean by bold? To change the thickness of letters, to increase the thickness of letters. What is italics? To slant the letters, for creating slanting letters. What is next one? Underline, to underline the letters. What is the next three tools? Align left, center, align right. These three are commonly known as alignment tools. These three are commonly known as alignment tools: align left, align center, and align right. Okay, so align left means align the letters to the left. Center means align the letters to the center. Align right means align the letters to the right side. Okay, and final one, font color. What is its use? To change the color of letters. Okay, and this topic is very, very important. It will be definitely asked for your exams, and also you just study these symbols of these tools here. Okay, you can expect questions like that. You may be given a symbol and it will be asking that which tool is that. Okay, so please study the name, symbols, and its use. Is it clear, my dear students? Hope all are clear about this topic.